we were the batch that he taught. So during that time,
I'm sure my batchmates knows this, the faculty knows this.
Hirap kasi gagawin namin thesis sa Los Baños, no? Pero ang classes namin nasa Diliman. No? But always, pag pupunta ko ng
Ayan. Bakit ba?
Nakita ko si Lito from being a student. Then nagturo siya. And then he went on to
10 of his lectures. And the very first time I heard him speak, he struck me as a person who was intense.
Ang po ni Dr. Mara, ni Dr. Ladvichon na maging housemate nila when I was in my second year of teaching sa UP.
I've known Doc L since I was a young boy. Kasi si Doc M,
I'm not a perfect man. But like Lito, I want Lito is a perfectionist.
Hindi mo makakalimutan. I am the president of my batch. And I am closer to Doc M nung time na nasa college.
drama, ayaw naman ito ko ng drama. Pero basta marami kaming experience, especially unahin ko na yung masaya para at least hindi masyadong dramatic. Kasi nung
Nandito siya. He was talking about Dr. Esquero. Sabi niya, he compared it to a music.
Dun sa recency. So kanina pa kami nagtitinginan ni Mark kung sinong magsasalita para i-share sa inyo kung gaano kami kasaya na...
Advice about sa prep. Sorry. Kung nag-start po. Ngayon kasi hindi ko pa kaya tingnan si Doc L sa ano eh. Kasi sobrang dami niyang ginawa para sa amin. Unang-una sa front.
Ako nga pala si Nilo ni Quinto, 7.
Tingin lang.